Welcome to Aspiring Geopark Gorontalo.
Greetings to all of you. Today, I would like to share with you about Aspiring Geopark Gorontalo. There are 26 potential geosites in Aspiring Geopark of Gorontalo, showing geological diversity, biodiversity, and culture diversity. The Gorontalo region is included in the northern arm of Sulawesi and the west mandala of active magmatic and tectonic pathway, which causes the region to have a complex geology. The Gorontalo tectonic process took place from 56 million years ago to 23 million years ago, starting from the subduction and collision between the solar spore and the north arm of Sulawesi. Tectonic processes initiated the formation of the Gorontalo fault zone with a movement of 11 mm per year and formed a pull-apart basin, Lake Limboto. Gorontalo Geological Framework Consideration and the result of the identification of geological heritage. Gorontalo earth story illustration are divided into 4 periods. Periods 1, deep sea sedimentary rock or ocean floor. Period 2, early magmatism, volcanism. Period 3, magmatism, late volcanism, and period 4, quaternary tectonics. During the 23 million years ago, tectonic processes continued with extensional stresses product of the northern arm extension process were observed in Tomini Bay, Limboto Lake, Boni Valley, and Pinogu Valley.
As in the folklore of the formation of Limboto Lake, the Gorontalo area was once a vast expanse of sea. At one point, the seawater receded and the area turned into land, leaving a lake in the middle. The area around Limboto Lake, based on regional stratigraphy, is composed of clastic limestone and coral limestone. The environment for the formation of clastic limestone and coral limestone is in a shallow marine environment. The receding of seawater in Gorontalo and the change of Gorontalo to land were caused by uplift. Uplift caused shallow marine environmental products such as limestone to be exposed to the surface. The uplift of Gorontalo occurred due to tectonic processes in the south. Tectonic events also occur from the north that affect the Limboto Lake area in the form of the presence of a northwest-southeast trending geological structure and divides Limboto Lake. The Limboto Lake geosite has the main geological features of the lake and secondary geological features of the hills around the lake. In addition, there is also a descending fault, which is evidence of the extension process that formed Limboto Lake. There is a wealth of cultural diversity in the form of the folklore of Limboto Lake and historical relics such as Sukarno's Landing and Otanaha Fort. In addition to the richness of cultural diversity, Limboto Lake has a wealth of biodiversity in the form of lake endemic fish and migratory birds. Birds that breed in northern Eurasia when winter enters, they wander towards the southern hemisphere in Indonesia, Australia to New Zealand. Geothermal Pentadio was described by von Rosenberg in the book Reistochten in the Afdeling Gorontalo in 1865. Von Rosenberg wrote that the hot springs are about 200 meters from Limboto Lake and there is a good road leading to the lake. In particular, there is a small hill about 27 meters high, which is about 1,000 meters from the hot spring. The type of geothermal manifestation is hot spring. There are 5 hot springs at Pentadio. The surface temperature ranges from 62 up till 80 degrees Celsius, while the subsurface temperature based on geothermometers calculation range from 122 up till 153 degrees Celsius. The Pentadio geothermal is located on a lake plain landform. The lake plain is from the deposition of sedimentary material as the area of a lake decreases. In the northern part of the Pentadio geothermal manifestation, there is an isolated hill landform. The isolated hill, known as Hundulobohu Hill, is composed of tuff, lithology, limestone, and non-compact materials such as clay. The highest elevation of Hundulobohu is 24 meters above sea level, with land use in the form of settlements and construction of educational facility. Pentadio geothermal fluid comes out to the surface in the form of hot springs through geological structure that form fracture in the Gorontalo Graben zone. This geological structure is a way out of the geothermal fluid from the reservoir to the surface. The heat source for the Pentadio geothermal area is the dike system. The dike system was formed due to young volcanic activity that produced the Pilomba and Lompoto'o volcanoes around Gorontalo.
I'm Intan Noviantari Manyoe. It's an honor to accompany you to visit Limboto Lake and Geothermal Pentadio Geosite. We are waiting for you in Gorontalo with a warm heart. Salam Geopark.
Wisata air terjun di Gorontalo adalah salah satu wisata yang begitu banyak pengunjungnya dan sangat menarik, baik bagi turis lokal yang ada di Gorontalo maupun turis yang berada di daerah-daerah sekitar Gorontalo maupun dari mancanegara. Kali ini saya akan membawa Anda semua untuk berwisata di beberapa wisata air terjun yang ada di Gorontalo. Yang pertama adalah air terjun Ilohu'ua yang berada di Desa Taludaa. Dan yang berikutnya adalah air terjun yang berada di Dusun Tumba, air terjun tingkat 1 dan air terjun tingkat 2. Silahkan untuk berwisata dan menikmati keindahan alam yang ada di Gorontalo. Air terjun Taludaa terbentuk di batuan granitoid. Di beberapa tempat, batuan ini terkekarkan. Pada batuan ini juga ditemukan engkoret berwarna gelap. Air terjun ini terbentuk akibat struktur geologi yang berkembang di daerah sekitar. Lokasi air terjun Ilohu'ua terletak 500 meter dari desa Ilohu'ua. Singkapan yang terdapat pada geosite ini merupakan singkapan batuan beku granit yang membentuk air terjun. Pada singkapan juga terdapat struktur kekar dan vein klorit yang mengisi rekahan. Singkapan ini memiliki tinggi lebih kurang 20 meter dengan lebar kurang lebih 10 meter. Karakteristik dari batuan granit ini berwarna abu-abu terang, vaneritik, hipokristalin, ini kuart granular, sedangkan mineral penyusun batuan adalah hornblende, biotit, plagioklas, dan terdapat sedikit mineral kuarsa. Sama halnya dengan air terjun Ilohu'ua, air terjun yang berada di Dusun Tumba, baik air terjun tingkat 1 dan air terjun tingkat 2, diperkirakan terbentuk akibat aktivitas struktur geologi yang berkembang sebab jenis batuan granit adalah salah satu jenis batuan resisten terhadap erosi. Perpaduan antara geodiversity, biodiversity, dan culture diversity yang sangat menarik dan merupakan salah satu calon geosite potensial Geopark Gorontalo. Air terjun Boroma terdapat di Dusun Tumba, Desa Tamaila Utara. Fitur geologi di daerah ini adalah air terjun Boroma dan air terjun Tumba. Air terjun Boroma, singkapannya yang terdapat di lokasi ini merupakan singkapan batuan beku granodiorit. Karakteristik dari batuan ini berwarna abu-abu, terang sampai keputihan dengan warna lapuk kekuningan. Struktur singkapan masif, faneretik, porfirofanerik, holokristalin, equigranular, euhedral subhedral. Mineral penyusunnya berupa plagioklas dominan, kuarsa lebih besar 20%, biotit dan amfibol hadir dalam bentuk hornblende dan nampak sedikit muskovit. Di daerah air terjun Boroma, selain terdapat potensi geodiversity yang berupa air terjun, di lingkungan sekitarnya juga terdapat berbagai macam potensi biodiversity karena merupakan bagian dari hutan nasional Nantu yang ada di Gorontalo. Air terjun berikutnya di Dusun Tumba yang sering disebut oleh masyarakat Tumba, yaitu air terjun Tumba. Air terjun Tumba lebih besar daripada air terjun Boroma. Singkapan yang terdapat di lokasi ini merupakan singkapan batuan beku granodiorit. Karakteristik dari batuan ini berwarna abu-abu terang sampai keputihan dengan warna lapuk, kekuningan, kehitaman. Struktur singkapan masif, faneritik, porfiro, fanerik, holokristalin, equigranular, euhedral subhedral. Mineral penyusunnya berupa plagioklas dominan. Kuarsa terdapat juga mineralnya sekitar lebih besar dari 20%. Biotit dan amfibol hadir dalam bentuk hornblende dan nampak sedikit muskovit serta pirit. Dan singkapan pada air terjun Tumba ini pada umumnya terkekarkan. Pemukiman Tumba memiliki morfologi mulai dari datar, bergelombang, hingga perbukitan. Morfologi ini terbentuk atau dipengaruhi oleh proses fluvial. Hal ini dibuktikan dengan adanya sebaran bongkahan-bongkahan batuan granodiorit, diorit di area pemukiman Tumba, dan tekstur tanah umumnya berpasir hingga berbatu yang mencirikan endapan-endapan oleh proses fluvial. Meskipun untuk mencapai tempat wisata air terjun Tumba kita harus mengendarai kendaraan bermotor sekitar 30 menit, namun keindahan alam dan potensi air terjun Dusun Tumba itu sangat luar biasa, sehingga wisata ini sangat berpotensi untuk menjadi wisata minat khusus, di mana para wisatawan bukan hanya akan dimanjakan oleh keindahan alam, menikmati air terjun, tetapi juga udara yang sangat segar di puncak gunung. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa di Gorontalo.
Hi everyone, my name is Salsabila Aulia Putri Zakaria. I'm from Gorontalo State University. I'm majoring Geological Engineering Study Program. As your virtual tour guide today, I would like to introduce you two places in Bone Bolango Regency, which is included in Aspiring Gorontalo Geopark. I would like to introduce you 4 geosites in Bone Bolango Regency, Gorontalo Province. First, let's go to geosite Geothermal Lombongo. Welcome to Lombongo Geotourism Place. In this place, you can find a very beautiful landscape. You can find VIP pool, Bogani Nani Wartabone National Park, a big swimming pool, and also you can ride a water bike in this place. Now, let's visit geosite Air Terjun Lombongo. The Lombongo waterfall is the best known of waterfall in Gorontalo. It is one of the tourist attraction in Gorontalo province. The existence of a waterfall in this location indicates the existence of geological structure activity. Now, I will take you to Hungayono. Hungayono is a very beautiful place you can find in Gorontalo. It's cold, calm, and quiet. Also, you can see the Sungai Bone or Bone River from Hungayono. Geothermal Hungayono has main geological components like rocks, include granodiorite, tuflapili, volcanic breccias, and alluvial deposits, and geological processes like geothermal. Talking about the biodiversity in Hungayono, we can find anoa, pig deers, and maleo birds. To incubate the eggs require geothermal heat with a hatching duration of 60 until 80 days. Maleo parents plant their eggs into the ground at a depth of 30 until 50 centimeters. In Hungayono, we can also find Spatholobus littoralis, which is a Kalimantan endemic. It is believed to be able to heal cancer and lymph nodes. Bryopsida sp, Meliaceae, Malvaceae, and Asteraceae are included as the biodiversity of Hungayono. You can also find Tarsius in Hungayono. What a very cute creature! That's all the virtual tour from Lombongo and Hungayono. I'm waiting you here, everyone.
Biarlah kisahku kan abadi, bagai mata air Lombongo. Hawanya sejuk menawan, sesejuk air Sungai Bune. Biarlah kisahku kan abadi, bagai mata air Lombongo.
Hello, I am Daniel, a geological engineering student from Universitas Negeri Gorontalo and also a leader from a village development and empowerment programs. And here I am going to guide and also introduce you to the Botubani village and also Botubani geosite. Botubarani is one of the geosites in Gorontalo province, which is located in the Botubani village that had amazing natural resources. The Botubarani is a very interesting and amazing place to visit because it conducts of two things, the geology and also the mythology from native people. One of the most famous things about the Botubani village is the presence of the whale shark, which is now developing into whale shark tourism or ecotourism.
The interesting part about the Botobarani geosite is that the geological feature is combined with the native people's story. Its origin story of the Botobarani starts with the Philippines pirates who, according to the people of Botobarani as the Mindanao ethnic, that invades and disturb the peace of the Botobarani people. The geographic locations of the Botobarani, which is on the coast and in the directly facing the Tomini Bay, makes the Mindanao ethnic easily enter the village. The presence of Tibarani, who get rid of the pirates and save the people of the Botobarani, becomes a moment where the village get the name from. The hero of the Botobarani finally puts the dead body of the invaders into a hole which turned out to be a cave right now. It is believed by the people of the Botobarani that the bones found in the cave are those of the Mindanao ethnic. The presence of the Mindanao ethnic's bones has been collected by the local people and some are still buried in the cave. It is still an interesting story which can be packed to be a geomythological site and will be tentatively proven by several studies in the future. The geological features of the outcrop that found in the cave are mainly reef limestone, whose age range from an early Holocene to the middle of Holocene. The outcrop also proving that the village of the Botobarani and the Gorontalo in general used to be an ocean that slowly then rose to become an island. The Botobarani village also has a wealth of biodiversity which has now been used as ecotourism. That is the infamous whale shark.
Wait till you're announced. We've not yet lost all our graces. The hounds will stay in chains. Look upon your greatness and she'll send the call out, 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 send. Call the ladies out, they're in their finery. 100 jewels on throats, 100 jewels between teeth. Now bring my boys in, their skin in craters like the moon. The moon we love like a brother, while he glows through the room. Dancing around the lies we tell, dancing around big eyes as well. Even the comatose, they don't dance and tell. We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run free. Living in ruins of a palace within my dreams. And you know, we're on each other's team. I'm kinda over getting told to throw my hands up in the air. So there. So all the cups got broke, shards beneath our feet, but it wasn't my fault. And everyone's competing for a love they won't receive, 'cause what this palace wants is release. We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run free. Living in ruins of a palace within my dreams. And you know, we're on each other's team. Each other's seen our
Let's move to Olele Beach. Olele Beach is best known of the underwater tourism. It has volcanic product and also geological process like uplifting. Olele Beach is rich of the biodiversity underwater. One of the most unique is Tetracia lignosa with Salvador Dali pattern.
Now allow me to guide you into a virtual tour in Olele Geosite. Olele, located in the administrative area of Bone Bolango, Gorontalo Province. This geosite is approximately 20 kilometers away from Gorontalo city and can be accessed by using motorized vehicle. Physiographically, Olele are included in the southern mountain zone, which are generally composed of tertiary volcanic rock, according to BMLN 1949. Geosite Olele presents an interesting travel experience. In this geosite, we can find two types of lithology, namely volcanic breccia and rift limestone. If we according to the geological map formation from Apandi and Bagre 1997, the volcanic breccia are tertiary volcanic rock, while the limestone are quaternary rock. These two rock types come from different sources that meet in one outcrop, or geologically we call it contact. The contact of the lithology is called tectonic contact, is in the form of fault. So we can say that Olele are controlled and affected by a various geological process. In the terms of biodiversity, Olele is a marine park that is well known to the international level. This the beauty of the Olele Reef ecosystem is the main attraction for tourists. The Olele Reef ecosystem is a home of hundreds of unique and rare marine species. Some are marble shrimp, sarasvati shrimp, boxing crab, several types of nudibranch, and others. The prima donna of Olele's underwater is the presence of Petrosialignous sponge. This sponge has a pattern that's similar to Salvador Dali painting, so it named Salvador Dali sponge, and it's has been known in worldwide. In the Olele Reef ecosystem, this sponge can grow until it can reach more than 3 meters big. Besides the beauty of the Olele, visitors and tourists will also can be greeted by the friendliness of the people around Olele's village. In addition, there are several facilities in the form of homestay that provided by the local community for the tourists who want to stay, for snorkeling and diving.
This time we are going to the geosites of Biluhu and Dulanga, which belong to the aspiring Gorontalo Geopark. Biluhu geosites are situated at southern coastline of Gorontalo Regency in Biluhu village. It is approximately 30 minutes away from the Gorontalo city. This place has unique geological, morphological, and biological features, from underwater to coastal area. Therefore, it is good for recreational and educational uses.
I'm yours.
The geological, geomorphological, and biological features in the geosites of Biluhu and Dulanga are divided into two categories. The first is the underwater area, and the second is the coastal area.
Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family.
On the underwater area, the coral reefs are formed and directly connected to the coastline. This is atypical of fringing reef.
No more. It can't
The reef that are found on the Dulanga and also the Biluhu Beach features lagoon, reeflet, back reef, reef crest, reef front, and depth for reef.
Scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through.
Aspiring Geopark Gorontalo.
Celebrating Earth heritage, sustaining local communities. Salam Geopark.